McLaren 570S and McLaren 570G were extremely successful, and maybe that's why the company has decided to combine the two and create what it calls a 570GT Sportsback. The Sportsback gets stiffer springs, faster steering, and new actuators. This move comes in response to the criticism that the 570GT was more focused on ride comfort and compromised on body control. With 15% stiffer springs at the front and 10% stiffer springs at the back, as well as 2% quicker steering, McLaren has sought to address this issue. The hope is that the car will provide the looks and practicality that form the core of the 570GT's appeal, in tandem with the dynamic response that has earned the 570S near universal praise.